Hi everyone, Alba Gallivanter here. Slight change to the journey home tonight. I was up visiting a friend. Missed the 38 and the 51 back into Stirling bus station. So I'm walking it. I'm just going to walk down the train station. It's not far. It's going to take about 20 minutes or so. I walked down to Glasgow Road to see if X36 would be an option, but no, it's not until 25 to 11. I could be at a train station by that time. So, as you can see, I'm walking down the dual carriageway, well, on the pavement obviously, but the CityLink would normally take me down and heading to and from the bus station. It just means that you're going to get a train video popping up on the channel tonight. I'm going to get the 5 to 11 train back to Alloa, and then from there I'll get a taxi to get home. So apologies, there's meant to be 2, possibly 3 bus videos up tonight. That's not materialised. I do apologise, but there's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. Tomorrow, however, I'm going to my work at Cumbernauld. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get the Sparky bus from the Castleview Park and Ride. I've got a seat booked, so you'll see a video of me on the 52 going into town, and then on the P2 going out to Castleview, and then of course on the Sparky bus. Coming back the way, I'm probably just going to get the CityLink. A bit of luck, maybe get one of the S-Drive 72 ones. You never know. That's what I'm hoping for. It'd be awesome. Take a little video on that. And then Saturday I'll just be a repeat of the same. I'm not quite sure what I'm doing yet on Sunday. Personal reasons, I don't really want to plan too far ahead at the moment. But if you're wondering if the trip to Aberdeen is still going ahead on the 14th of December, all being well, I'm going to say yes. But at the moment it's kinda, it's 50-50 at the moment. As I said, I'm not going to go into detail about why I'm not planning ahead, because it's personal, it's private. But all I'm going to say is, I'll talk to you down at the train station. Should be there, well, in real time, I should be there in about 20-25 minutes. But on video time, I'll be there in 3, 2, 1, next video.